Are you ready? Stand by.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Christian here, and today I'm going to take a break from the Glock upgrades we've been doing, and we're just going to highlight the Osight S. Osight S is an optic. We're actually going to end up putting it on my Shield Plus Carry Comp. Weapon clear, good to go. Leave that there for now while we go ahead and talk about the Osight. So it's just a red dot sight. They don't have green dots yet. It is made out of OAL. It's a proprietary aluminum alloy that they have. They say it's nearly as light as 7075 aluminum, but it's stronger and tougher. I'll go ahead and pull it out here. It's got a 2 MOA dot or a 32 MOA circle. If you prefer that, you can use either one or the other or both together. But it is a closed emitter optic, meaning it's got a glass in the front and the back. The emitter for the red dot is actually inside the glass. So when you have a closed emitter like this, there's no chance like dirt, water, rain, or anything can get in the way and block that dot from being visible in your view here. The window is about 21 millimeters or just under an inch wide, and then it is about just over ½ an inch tall or 14 millimeters. Again, 2 MOA dot or 32 MOA circle. So what comes in the box first is, of course, the optic. And this is one of their also unique things. There is no battery. The battery is internal on this. It actually just comes with a charging hood. And if you can see it here, charging hood will tell you how charged, first of all, how much battery the hood has. And then when you put it on, it'll tell you how charged the optic is as well. It does have auto off after 10 minutes, shake awake of course, so it'll shut off if there's no movement. The dot will shut off to conserve battery, and as soon as you pick up the weapon or move it again, the dot will appear. So what's in the box? Take a look at some of the stuff here. You got the charging hood, the actual optic itself. This is a little carrying case, towel there, and then the tool to mount and adjust. The charging cable, which is USB-C. You got those. Of course, it comes with everything you need is going to be on this card here. Installing the Osight X, it'll tell you what torque specs to use, depending on what screws you have. And then, you know, a lot of times you get these optics, the screws just come all in these bags. I actually like how this thing comes. It's all labeled, multiple screws, see what it looks like. They do have a website to check fitment. Just put in what type of gun you're going to put it on. That'll tell you if you need an optic plate, if it can direct mount or anything like that. We can take a look at that fitment site. Our new handgun, Smith & Wesson MP9 Shield Plus S 2 MOA .32. It is a direct mount onto here with 6-32. So once again, weapon is clear. I'll go ahead and just to be completely safe, we'll go ahead and remove the slide and start working on it there. I'm just removing the installed screws. And then if you look here, if we're using the 632 screws, we want 17 inch-pounds of torque. Set that on the side. We're going to set it to 17 inch-pounds. Direct mount. These screws do come with dried up Loctite on it already, so no need to apply any more. Make sure you have it onto the posts that is for the RMSC footprint. Just just get this to where it's nice and tight before we lock it down. Love that. There it is. She's nice and mounted. Now, we'll go ahead and put this together, do a functions check, and I'll give you guys another look at what it looks like on the Shield Plus. I do have one of these already. I have it mounted on the Glock. I do like this optic quite a bit. I love the closed emitter. Functions check. Beautiful. Let me show you the 32 MOA circle. And then when you have both on, and then my favorite, which is just the 2 MOA dot. I am going to have to take this down to the range to 0. I'll probably get some video of it. Every time you unmount or remount an optic on a weapon, you're going to want to re-zero it. You shouldn't necessarily, it should be good to go, but you just want to confirm. I have shot this, like I said, with my Glock, not this specific one, but I have shot well over 1,000 rounds with it and have not lost 0 once. But yeah, there it is, the Osight S. If you enjoyed this video, of course, like and subscribe, share it, leave a comment. Let me know if you have any questions about the Osight S or any other videos that I've got, or just let me know what kind of things you might want to see in future videos. Appreciate you all watching. Take care. See you next time.